Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the format of your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video. For instance, I want it to be a TikTok format. So I'm just going to select this frame ratio here, and I will just select 9:16. This is the format for a TikTok video or an Instagram story. If I want to make it like an Instagram post, I want it to be a 1:1 post. So I'll just select that one, and I'm just going to zoom it in, kind of like adjusting it. And the normal YouTube one is obviously the 16:9 one. There's just a lot of options that you can choose from obviously here, but just select it and kind of adjust it to your liking. There is an auto reframe option that you can do somewhere like here, I guess, but it does require a pro, so I would just suggest you just changing the frame ratio and zooming it in or out depending on your video, of course. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.